Yeah. Yeah. I want a pizza. You can't do that for me? I thought this was Pizza Hut. What do you mean this isn't Pizza Hut? Pizza Hut sells pizzas. You know what? I'm gonna text my lawyer. I'm gonna sue you, Pizza Hut. Oh, I don't care if this is Walmart. This is Pizza Hut to me. I want you to make me a pizza. Okay then, I'm gonna text my lawyer. Oh, hey. Yeah, I just go to Walmart, ordered pizza. They said they aren't Pizza Hut, so I guess I gotta text my lawyer. Any minute now. I'm waiting, waiting, waiting. Come on. Text. Come on.
Hey, I wanted to know where you were today.
Well, sorry. That was my voicemail. I'm still waiting. Yes. It says I texted Pizza Hut. It's not my lawyer. I got things messed up. Pizza Hut? Yeah, I'd like to speak to my lawyer. His name's Mozzarella Pepperoni. Yeah, I'll hold. You should hear this music. It's so awesome. Okay, I'll be done in 10 minutes? Okay. My pizza's gonna be done in 10 minutes. I thought I called my lawyer, but alright, see ya.